Hi everyone, my name is Karina Adam, and I am a software engineer at Tau Technologies. I have the pleasure of talking about Tau today and presenting on our Adjutant Wargame development system. Tau is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, with a staff of about 50 employees who are committed to providing practical innovations which serve the needs of the DoD, DON, USMC, IC, and more. The staff here at Tau includes senior engineers with a past career in the military, physicists and optical scientists with interests in machine learning, and computer scientists and electrical engineers with talents in modeling and simulation, and systems integration, just to name a few. Tau is proud to have been awarded 31 Phase 1 SBIRs, 15 Phase 2 awards, and 4 Phase 3 contracts. Tau has produced distinctive hardware systems which rest on our expertise in laser propagations in turbulent atmospheres, end-to-end laser engagement models, satellite propagation, modeling and visualization, and space domain awareness. Tau enjoys the unique work environment that is created through the number of employees and the variance amongst them. There is enough staff to cultivate a unique approach to solving problems, while still maintaining a small enough space that everyone can be heard. All are encouraged to speak up on and take up ownership of each project we are a part of. The ability to have many meetings which involve close cooperation between senior and junior staff is a direct advantage of our size. The setting also enables a focused approach to engineering, in which the team collaborates on finding a feasible and affordable solution and then follows through with producing the technical system or a prototype that addresses the operational needs. Tau seeks to create outputs that are immediately viable as solutions to persistent concerns to the DoD. This means we seek to integrate old and new technology in unique ways while constraining ourselves within the lines of reasonable budgets and accessible tech for a variety of consumers. Take Adjutant as an example. This project combines the advanced technical knowledge required to implement wargaming with a user-friendly interface that packages the complexities of wargaming simulations into comprehensible, focused topics that the average individual would be able to navigate through and learn from. The U.S. faces threats from adversaries in all domains: land, sea, air, space, and cyber. Adjutant can help. Adjutant outputs complex simulations based on simple user input prompts, and it can provide an easily tailored experience because it is thorough and robust, backed by the knowledge of experts in the field who have first-hand experience. Currently, the strategy game that aids military operations has a high barrier of entry. The training that allows us to study and recreate potential conflicts requires several inputs that are not simple to assemble. Realism, complexity, scale, and concealed information are all aspects of an effective wargaming system that must be accounted for. The United States Marine Corps noted other challenges include maintaining the ability to simulate an indefinite number of scenarios, encompassing a huge range of variables. Ensuring quality wargamers is of utmost importance for optimizing the security and safety of all parties involved. Other disadvantages across systems include varying capacities, differences in timeliness, lack of independence in operation, and the lack of data produced which allows for proper assessment of the sufficiency of these systems. Adjutant addresses some of these issues through putting the capabilities directly into the user's hands. Adjutant also can act as a vessel to circumnavigate the barriers to access which exist in relation to wargaming data, and will serve to standardize wargaming education and qualifications. Adjutant packages the complex software into an easily run and operated web-based application. Use of this tool will lead to established standards for data reporting and will help improve the data fragmentation troubles currently being faced. Wargames have been heavily credited for making key contributions to military planning during World War II, to name just one instance. TAO understands the need for technical solutions like this right now that allow the USMC to expedite these processes and save time and money that would normally be required for training in order to focus on what really matters, which is strategizing through advanced simulations. That is what eliminates actual risks to the departments, and that is the training that should be focused on. TAO utilizes the skills of each employee to produce a software environment that guides the user through an engaging series of steps, designed to highlight key details and navigate specific questions that may arise. Adjutant is easy to set up and operate, designed to minimize obstacles faced by the user. Adjutant uses a toolset created by TAO, referred to as the Key Performance Parameters, or KPPs. It supports various wargaming types, including tabletop, modeling and simulation assisted, and modeling and simulation driven. It leverages those currently developed TAO tools and is framework agnostic. The original Phase 1 objective was to design and develop prototype software for the USMC to support wargame planners, designers, and players throughout the process of wargame development. The Phase 2 efforts build on this as the system undergoes reconstruction in order to provide an even more user-friendly and intuitive process. The toolset continues to be modified with customer priorities in the forefront. This project is on schedule to meet technical milestones and deliverables. The schedule below reflects a prior iteration in the plan, as TAO works diligently to ensure the final outcome is in line with the most pressing goals of the USMC. The project began July 2021 and is currently ongoing throughout the summer of 2024. Adjutant is a culmination of all current wargaming doctrine, which was researched and poured over in Phase 1, and then woven together into one singular development, management, and execution tool. It is web-based, so no installation is necessary, and it boasts clean, context-based menus, which avoid heavy nesting of features for navigation ease. It is based on TAO's extensive experience developing user-facing graphical interface tools to provide scenario development and analysis in the past. It also provides status tracking of data items and workflow of an in-progress wargame, and supports diverse reporting needs, archives data of past wargames, and more. TAO is familiar with the security needs of the USMC and is in the process of setting up secure Amazon Web Services hosting for the Adjutant software to support demo and testing tasks. We've also familiarized ourselves with handbooks, such as the Technology Development and Transition Strategy Guidebook and the Manufacturing Readiness Level Desk Book. And we plan to work closely with our TPOC Tyson Cackley to produce a more precise transition plan so that we can meet the required metrics for transition. Thank you so much for listening through our presentation today. We greatly appreciate your time and interest. TAO will be attending the Sea Air Space Showcase coming up in April, and we will have software demos to interact with at our booth. Please also do check out our website, taotechnologies.com, to find out more about us, and feel free to reach out to any of our team to talk more about the capabilities of Adjutant.